In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit WordPress HTML. Whether you're looking to customize your website's layout, add unique functionality, or troubleshoot a specific issue, knowing how to safely and effectively edit HTML in WordPress is an essential skill for website owners. Don't worry if you're new to this. I'll guide you step by step to make sure everything is clear, secure, and easy to follow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently make HTML adjustments that enhance your site's appearance and performance. Now, before we dive in, if you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. WordPress is a powerful platform for building and managing websites, and it's free to get started. Alright, let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to www.wordpress.com. Once you're there, click on the login option to proceed. Alternatively, if you use Google as your primary email service, you can streamline the process by selecting Continue with Google. This will allow you to log in quickly without having to manually type in your credentials. From there, select the Google account you want to use. If prompted, click Continue again to finalize the selection. This extra step ensures that the correct account is linked, which is important for maintaining the security of your login. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. This is called My Home, and it's essentially the control center for your website. From here, you can manage nearly every aspect of your site. To get a better idea of how your website currently looks to visitors, locate and click the View Site option. This will show you the front-end view of your website. Next, when you're ready to start making changes, select the Edit Site option. Depending on your dashboard's layout or theme, you might find this option in the top toolbar or within the site management settings. Don't worry if it's not immediately visible, just take a moment to explore the interface until you locate the option. Once you've entered the site editor, you'll need to find the plus icon, which is typically located near the top or side of your screen. Clicking this icon is your gateway to adding new blocks and elements to your page. In the search field that appears, type HTML to filter the available blocks. This will bring up the Custom HTML option, which is exactly what we need. Go ahead and select Custom HTML. This will open a text box where you can enter your HTML code. Now, if you already have pre-written code, you can simply paste it into the box. Alternatively, you can write the code from scratch directly within the text box. Just keep in mind that it's always a good idea to ensure your code is safe and sourced from reputable providers, as poorly written or malicious code can negatively impact your site's functionality or security. Before making your changes live, take advantage of WordPress's real-time preview feature. This allows you to see exactly how your adjustments will appear on your website. It's a great way to catch any potential issues or make small tweaks before finalizing your work. If needed, go back and refine your HTML code until you're happy with the results. Once everything looks good, it's time to save your changes. If you're working on an existing page or post, click the Update button on the other hand. If this is brand new content, select Publish to make it live on your site. Either way, this step ensures your edits are applied and visible to your audience. As a final tip, always back up your site before making any significant changes to your HTML. This precaution gives you a safety net in case something goes wrong, allowing you to restore your site to its previous state without losing valuable work. And that's how you edit HTML in WordPress. With these steps, you can now customize your website's design and functionality to better suit your needs. If you have any questions or want to share your experience, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.